team, are you ready? Red team, are you ready? Game on in 3, 2, 1, go!
We got this team that's coming up the hill now. It's on the inside of the net. You may not want to be out here. Oh, I think they get hit all over the place. I'm trying to keep people at the center. Cover outside, right there? Yeah. Beans aren't going to hurt that. No, but they're how many respawns was it?
I found myself doing that yesterday too, diving behind the rocks. I came up here and seen one guy up here.
It's such a prime area, you know, because of the way the hill slopes.
Yeah. That's why we're working on trying to get it up here. We're trying to get it covered in bombers over there. I'm going to get right out of this study here. Okay. Sorry.
It's okay. Look behind you.
What?
He's covering the dummy with his own body. That was dedication, I tell you.
Oh!
That's why I got it down.
Oh!
Nice!
Gun hits don't count.
Not that many in the building.
Ah, fuck it. I wouldn't say that much. Look, it's maybe like 3, 2. Holy fuck.
Game! VIP is dead! Game!
I don't know how we missed each other point blank, man.